Creating a drop-down menu in Wix is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will tell you exactly how you guys can do it. So first thing first is that you have to open up Wix application. So simply tap in Wix on your Google Chrome and go to the Wix application and go ahead and also sign in with your official account. So once you have do that, you will be redirected to this page right over here. So then what you have to do, all you have to do is to open up the page and menu panel in the Wix editor. Click on the page and menu panel. So you will be redirected to this page. Add a main menu item. So for example, what you have to do is to go to the plus element in the page menu. Over, for example, first select your page. It is for me, it's home. Then go ahead and click on plus icon. Then it will guide you to this page. Select menu and anchor. In the menu and anchor, just simply go ahead and click on the any of the required menu item. For example, themed menus, horizontal menus, vertical menus, totally up to your own requirement. So once you have selected that, simply go ahead and click on it and you will be able to create a drop down menu just like that. I hope it helps. If it helps, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye bye.